check that out. Welcome everyone, Mike with Bowers Barbecue back again in Austin, Texas. This time we're gonna check out CM Smokehouse. They're set up here inside of Golden Acres, little pickleball court, little patios for drinking. It's a really cool setup, but I'm really looking forward to trying their brisket crunch wrap. Before we can do that, we gotta start the fire. Ordering here is a little bit different than other barbecue joints. They have these QR codes on the table. You pull up the menu, place your order, put in your table number, and then bring you out your food. All right, let's pull up that menu. So we got drinks. What we're here for is the CM Smokehouse menu. All right, and here's what we're after. Crunchwrap Supreme. Add that to order. View your order. We can pay via Apple Pay, which is pretty awesome. Ordering is pretty simple. Pull up the QR code. It didn't ask for my table number. I'm wondering if it's in the QR code itself. We'll soon find out. Pretty neat setup. They have something special going on here. This is a fun environment. So in addition to pickleball, they have cornhole. Pretty cool. I'm not gonna show the other ends. There's some kids over there. I don't really want to film them. It's crazy. They have a pool. Basically just a water trough. Kind of neat. It took less than 5 minutes for this to come delivered to my table. I love this. This looks just like traditional Taco Bell crunch wrap, but so much better. They use Flores tortillas, in-house smoked brisket. I can't wait to dig in.
This video is sponsored by Fantastical Vacations, a concierge travel agency specializing in Disney, Universal, all cruise lines, and some all-inclusive resorts where all of the planning services are completely free to you. You can email Mike and Kara at fantasticalvacations.com to learn more.
All right, man, it's a hot one today. My shade went away. Oh well. I got a refreshing crunch wrap. Check that out. It's absolutely amazing.
Oh, dude, good return.
Man, that is so good.
Dude, nice man.
You can taste the smoked brisket. A little bit of that lettuce and the crema offsets the salt. Refreshing on this hot day. This is great, y'all. I'm loving people are getting outside the norm, just throwing a slice of meat on your tray. You're getting creative, making dishes that you really want to eat more than once a week, once a month, whatever the case may be. That sauce is legit, though I think I like this the crema on here. This is good. All right, I'm gonna finish this up. But if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this and barbecue reviews all over Texas and beyond, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you don't miss a single video. Ring that notification bell. And it was kind of fun watching the people play pickleball while you eat.
Let's go!
I'm going to give this game a shot. It looks like a lot of fun. That's so cool. Man, this was an amazing meal. There's so much on this menu that I want to try. I just don't have the stomach space for it. That crunch wrap was everything that I was hoping it would be. You know, guys like Cade, they're taking barbecue to the next level. If we just all did brisket, ribs, and sausage, it would get boring fast. But we have variety. We're doing things like the crunch wrap. He has some different burritos, some tachos. It's all amazing. It really takes barbecue to the next level. I'm so thankful for that. All right, I appreciate each and every one of you for watching. Until the next video, the fire is out.